Well, you bought the ultimate Jeep rack. Let's open this up and see what you get from 500 stones. Just open it up here. Here is the hardware pack. I'll lay that out for you in a second. And the JK rack, ultimate bracket, thick, powder coated, very thick. Needs to be thick, not to hold a license plate, but to hold your off-road lights. I'll put that here. So what you also are going to get in this kit are 2 extended lug nuts, which are going to mount, and I'll show you how to mount them in 1 minute. These 2 bolts will be bolting right through these holes, which will attach to these. The rest of these is hardware. If you want to mount your third brake light, which I'm also going to show you, you'll use these. And if you want to mount your license plate, these are the license plate bolts, license plate washers, and nylon coated license plate nuts. That is the complete kit.